Welcome to the fascinating world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you are a beginner looking to explore a new hobby or an experienced artisan aiming to expand your repertoire, woodworking offers endless possibilities for expression and innovation. This craft allows you to transform raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces that can enhance your home, express your personal style, and even generate income. With a focus on sustainability and the use of reclaimed materials, woodworking not only supports your creative endeavors, but also contributes positively to the environment. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover that woodworking is not just about creating items. It's about cultivating a mindset of patience, attention to detail, and problem solving. Each project presents an opportunity to learn and improve your skills, from mastering basic techniques to experimenting with complex designs. The satisfaction of seeing your vision come to life, whether it's a simple shelf or an intricate decorative piece, is immensely rewarding. Join us as we explore unique and profitable woodcraft ideas that combine artistic flair with practicality, guiding you toward crafting not only beautiful pieces, but also a fulfilling future. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of woodworking, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated on our latest projects, tips, and techniques, ensuring you never miss out on valuable information that can enhance your woodworking skills. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow woodworking enthusiasts who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us grow and continue creating content that sparks creativity and innovation within the woodworking community. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video, as we have some exciting bonus tips and resources that you won't want to miss. Let's dive deeper into this rewarding craft together. Woodworking as a craft. Woodworking has been an essential skill and art form throughout history. In today's world, it serves as a creative outlet and a viable source of income. The beauty of woodworking lies in its accessibility. Individuals can start small, using basic tools and techniques to create items that resonate with consumers. This craft fosters not only personal fulfillment, but also an opportunity to contribute positively to the economy by creating unique products that stand out in a crowded marketplace. The appeal of reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood has surged in popularity due to its sustainability and unique aesthetic. It often carries a rich history, which adds character to finished products. By sourcing wood that has been salvaged from old buildings or furniture, artisans can offer customers something truly special. Additionally, using reclaimed wood reduces waste and promotes eco-friendly practices, aligning with consumer values increasingly focused on sustainability. This appeal can significantly enhance your marketing strategy, as customers are often willing to pay a premium for environmentally responsible products. Crafting with scrap wood. Scrap wood is a fantastic resource for woodworkers, offering endless possibilities for creativity. By repurposing leftover pieces from larger projects, artisans can create smaller items such as coasters, small shelves, or decorative art. This approach not only minimizes material waste, but also maximizes profit margins, as the cost of scrap wood is typically very low or even free. Moreover, crafting with scrap wood encourages innovative thinking and problem solving, leading to unique designs that can differentiate your offerings in the marketplace. Simple skills, big possibilities. You don't need advanced woodworking skills to start creating profitable products. Basic skills such as measuring, cutting, sanding, and assembling can yield beautiful results. Focus on mastering these fundamental techniques before moving on to more complex projects. Start with simpler designs that allow for quick production and experimentation. As you gain confidence and experience, you can gradually incorporate more intricate techniques, expanding your product line and increasing your earning potential. Creating functional art. Functional art combines aesthetics with utility, making it highly desirable among consumers. By designing items that serve a practical purpose, such as wall organizers, key racks, or multi-use furniture, you can provide customers with products that enhance their daily lives. This focus on functionality not only makes your creations more marketable, but also establishes your brand as one that values practicality and innovation. The right balance between beauty and usability can lead to repeat customers and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Job creation through crafting. As your woodworking venture grows, there's potential to create job opportunities for others. Transitioning from a solo operation to a small business can support local economies by providing employment and fostering a community of artisans. This growth not only benefits your business, but also encourages collaboration and knowledge sharing among local craftsmen. By investing in your community, you build a loyal customer base that appreciates the local craftsmanship and the stories behind the products. Understanding your market. Before launching your products, it's essential to conduct thorough market research. Identify your target audience by analyzing demographics, preferences, and purchasing behaviors. This understanding will guide you in creating products that meet consumer needs and desires. Attend local craft fairs, study competitors, and engage with potential customers to gather insights. By tailoring your offerings to align with market demands, you can enhance your chances of success and foster a loyal customer base. Setting up your workshop. A well-organized workshop is crucial for efficient woodworking. Whether you have a dedicated space or a small corner of your home, ensure that your tools, materials, and workspace are arranged for optimal productivity. Invest in good lighting and ergonomic setups to make your work environment comfortable. A clutter-free workspace not only enhances focus, but also sparks creativity, allowing you to experiment and innovate freely. Sourcing materials. Finding affordable and high-quality materials is essential for maintaining profit margins. Explore local lumberyards, salvage shops, or online marketplaces for reclaimed wood and scrap materials. Building relationships with suppliers can lead to better deals and unique finds. Additionally, consider sourcing materials from construction sites or local businesses that may have excess wood. Not only does this approach save money, but also supports sustainable practices by keeping materials out of landfills. Designing unique products. Innovation is key to standing out in the woodworking market. Spend time brainstorming and sketching ideas that reflect your personal style and meet consumer demands. Experiment with different shapes, finishes, and combinations of materials to create distinctive products. Utilize digital design tools to visualize your concepts and refine your designs before starting production. Remember, the uniqueness of your offerings will attract customers and encourage them to choose your products over mass-produced alternatives. Marketing your crafts. Effective marketing strategies are crucial for reaching your target audience. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. Share high-quality images and engaging stories about your creative process to build a strong brand identity. Participate in local craft fairs and markets to gain exposure and connect personally with your audience. Word-of-mouth referrals, paired with strategic marketing efforts, can significantly boost your sales. Building an online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential for success. Consider setting up an e-commerce website or utilizing platforms like Etsy to reach a broader audience. Ensure that your online store reflects your brand's aesthetics and values, with clear product descriptions and high-quality images. Use SEO techniques to improve your visibility in search engines, making it easier for potential customers to find your products. Regularly update your online content to keep your audience engaged and informed. Networking with other artisans. Building a network of fellow woodworkers and artisans can provide support, inspiration, and collaboration opportunities. Attend workshops, join local craft groups, or participate in online forums to connect with others in the industry. Sharing experiences and resources can lead to valuable insights and help you navigate challenges. Networking also opens doors for collaborative projects, allowing you to combine talents and create unique offerings that appeal to a wider audience. Crafting your future. Woodworking offers a unique intersection of creativity and profitability. By focusing on simple, functional designs, utilizing reclaimed materials, and effectively marketing your products, you can build a successful venture. Embrace the journey of crafting, continuously refine your skills, and let your passion for woodworking lead you to new opportunities. Your craft not only has the potential to generate income, but also to enrich your life and the lives of those around you. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and support as we explore the wonderful world of woodworking together. If you found the content helpful and inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting projects and tips. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts who might enjoy it as well. Your engagement not only motivates us to create more content, but also helps us build a vibrant community of crafters eager to learn and share their experiences. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy woodworking!